Do we get numbed first?
Honestly, no. Ready?
Yeah.
Take a deep breath.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. What are we doing today? We're gonna go get a nose job. I know. I understand. My nose is perfectly fine. Everyone is always like, Ava, your nose is so perfect. Like, you have my dream nose. Like, why would you want to get a nose job? Like, why would you do it? I understand. I'm aware of my face. I know my nose is completely fine. I couldn't complain. Like, honestly, I was blessed with a pretty good nose. Like, I cannot complain. I mean, like, from all angles, like, growing up, it's not like I was insecure about my nose. Like, I literally look back on baby photos, not baby photos, I was not a cute baby. I look back on like toddler photos of me and like high school photos of me, and like I genuinely love my nose. Like, I love how it looks. Today we're going to be getting the liquid nose job, or like the non-surgical nose job. I wanted to bring you guys along this journey. I could have just gotten it done, not told anybody, and just called it a day. I'm sure none of you guys would have even been able to tell the difference. I've watched so many of these videos over the past literally like 4.5, 5 years. It took me so long to get this done because I genuinely thought it might not work for me. And I still don't know if it's gonna work for me. I'm gonna take you guys along with me because I don't know, I feel like people need to be more transparent about this, and y'all know I keep it real with you guys. Because I feel like when I got my boobs done and I was so transparent with it, people were like, wait, what? Like, we can be transparent? I took a couple before photos, but I'll do a video. This is my nose. Okay, you see it, guys? In all its glory. I'm gonna have them straighten out this part a little bit so it doesn't dip as much, and then just add a little bit to the tip. It's going to be the smallest amount. Who knows? It might be a minor change. It might be really good. I don't know. Let's drive to LA and let's get a nose job. Woo! Mama's gonna get a new nose today. I'm in LA. I just went vintage shopping. I'm like on the side of the road. There's like cars whipping by on that side. Hopefully I don't get I just remembered on the way here that I forgot to bring the arnica cream. Frick. That was such a mistake. And like when oh my god, my eyebrow almost came off. Arnica gel helps you not bruise. I read that online. I had arnica gel from like, I forgot what, but I had arnica gel from like years ago. I forgot to bring it, so hopefully we don't bruise, because that's not gonna be cute. Hopefully they give me some ice for the bruising, because I really do not want to just like drive home and then get home and I'm like, you know? Anyway, let's drive to the place. I'm so excited. Side note, do you ever have to like pee on the road when you're driving and like you go into a place and they're like customers only? I went into Five Guys and got some small fries because I really had to pee. We're here. That is the spa. Let's go get a new nose. I think I've changed my hair 5 times today. You know what you're doing.
Honestly, you have small nose and you don't need much to work on. I can add little bit, just little enhancement, and if you want the tip to go up, I can make it up.
Yeah, I just want to straighten this out and then
and the tip up.
yeah. Do we get numbed first?
Honestly, no. You're not gonna feel anything here. Very slight poke, trust me. Even if I put numbing cream, you're still gonna have it, but it's only one.
Yeah.
You'll be fine, trust me.
Do I get ice after? No?
Yeah, you can, but it's very tolerable.
Okay. Do you have like bruising with this?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Take a deep breath.
Oh, that's nothing.
Okay, I'm gonna do the tip. Take a deep breath.
Is this one the worst?
Yeah. Not like worse, but you'll feel more. Deep breath.
Is this like a point? Can we make it a little softer?
Yeah, it will get softer anyway.
Okay. Oh, it's so cute.
Yeah.
What?
Okay.
Wow. What the heck? That's crazy. It didn't even hurt.
Tip is a little bit more sensitive, but
I feel like my pain tolerance is like pretty high though. What does this do?
it's arnica, so just wanna massage a little bit. I don't think you're gonna bruise. But
yeah. Good. Okay, cool. Okay.
Also, would you like ice or water?
Yes, please. Ice.
2 ice packs or 1?
2.
Okay. Anything else?
That's good.
Okay,
Thank you so
okay,
much.
Of course.
Okay, I'm back in my car. I'm gonna set my camera up and talk about this. I'm back in the car. Everyone was so freaking sweet here. So freaking nice. Oh my gosh. They gave me ice packs. I was freaking out because I didn't think they were gonna give me ice, and ice like really helps to take down the swelling. This is really good because then I can ice it for the next like hour just when I'm on the road. Good morning. It is the next day. As you can see, my face is pretty swollen. I forgot that I was filming a YouTube video today that has nothing to do with this. Hopefully I don't look really weird in that video, but nonetheless, this is what we're dealing with on day 2. I think it's gonna take like another couple days for the swelling to like completely go down, but I woke up this morning, I iced my face. Hopefully this goes down a little bit today. But morale is high. Morale is high. It's day 2 or 3 since I've gotten this done. My face is coming back to normal a little bit. I feel like my nose is a little bit less swollen than yesterday. My whole face is less swollen than yesterday. I have not experienced any bruising, which is really good. As you can see, there's like a light bruise around my tip, but it's so minor you literally can't even tell. Last night, I re-iced my face and I reapplied arnica cream twice, maybe even 3 times like before I went to bed. All in all, my nose is super sensitive to touch it at the tip. It really hurts, especially like where the bruise part is. The rest of my face is like pretty much back to normal. I'll show you guys some side profile pictures that I'm taking now because my side profile is so swollen. It looks literally ridiculous, but you guys can kind of still see like the effect. I feel like I'm kind of getting a taste of what a nose job feels like because the last couple days I've been having so many like boogers stuck in my nose. I don't know what about messing with your nose makes you produce more like, you know, stuff. But yeah, I've been having a lot of like boogies in my nose. It feels literally like I got a nose job. It just feels like something is changing. Hi, Olaf.
Hey.
Yeah, hi, Olaf.
Talking about your nose again?
Yeah. Yeah, hi, Olaf.
Snackar du om näsan?
Yeah, hi, Olaf. For some reason, the next day my camera wasn't recording audio, but on day 4, I was told that I had to get a massive life-changing metal disc implant surgery in my spine. And I was in the doctor's office wearing a mask, obviously, and I was crying inside my mask because I was blowing my nose and stuff. I totally forgot that I was like recovering from nose filler. I bruised the tip of my nose pretty bad just from squeezing it with a tissue, and it looked like it got infected for a couple days. I don't know. It was really scary. I thought I was gonna have to go back in and like do a bunch of stuff, but I spent the next day like nursing my nose back to health and just like making sure that it didn't get infected. And yeah, moved on to the next day. It is the next day. This situation is still looking a little crusty and funky. Honestly, it looks worse on camera. I don't think in person it looks... Overall, you know, morale is high. I was expecting to wake up this morning with it looking a little better than this. It's still a little swollen. I think the tip needs a little extra time, but morale is high once again. It's coming together. Like, here's the profile. Hopefully when I wake up in the morning, I will have less bruising than this. I feel like the swelling for nose filler might take longer. This is just my guess because it's a lot more of a sensitive area. It's a high traffic area. You know, you're constantly breathing. I think that's why it's taking longer to deswell. But yeah, all right, I'll update you guys later. It is the last day that I'm reporting on my new nose. It is Friday, which means today I'm shooting my first music video. I got this done on Monday and my face did a good job of like de-swelling by Friday. Swelling could take up to 2 to 3 weeks to really go away fully, and I believe that the swelling is like mostly gone. I can finally move my nose again like I used to. However, I feel like I'm gonna need 1 more week to like really get like settled. But all in all, shall we do a little side profile reveal? If you couldn't tell on the day of swelling, I also got my chin filled. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's kind of cute. It's cute. Oh, I sneeze. Thank you. I am obsessed with it. I love it so much. I can't even believe I didn't do this sooner. Literally, it took 1 week and now I have a perfect nose. I really only had swelling really badly for like 1, maybe 2 days. I feel like by day 2, I was looking pretty normal. The first day, I was like honestly embarrassed to show my face. I felt like a cartoon character. I just did not feel like myself. When day 2 came around, I felt really comfortable and I was filming and I felt totally fine. Downsides? You know, not many downsides for me. It was a little scary having my nose bruise for a couple days. However, I literally think that's just because I blew my nose in the doctor's office and it kind of caused stuff to get jumbled around. All in all, I'm very satisfied. I wanted to make this video way more in depth, but I was told this week that I have to get disc replacement surgery. Basically, I have to get surgery where they put a metal disc in my spine. I found out on Tuesday and it still is weird coming to terms with the fact that I'm getting the surgery in a couple weeks. Everyone is going to have a different opinion on fillers and stuff like that, and even me, I had like the biggest anti-fillers thing for myself personally for like years. I'm really happy with this whole thing. It's a yes for me. If you're out there and you're like looking for inspo on like things that you can do, I hope that this video can give you a little bit more of like clarity if you're thinking about making a decision like this. I say go for it. I'm really happy. The spa that I went to was 7Q Spa Laser and Aesthetics. It's in Glendale, California. This is their Instagram. I'll put them down below. They have tons of photos of before and afters. They're all really, really good. This is something that I've always thought about, but never looked into, never really wanted to do. I didn't really find a place to go that did it well and wasn't $1 billion. I found this place and all of their non-surgical nose jobs looked so on point. I had to go with this place and I am not disappointed. I will put them in the description box below. Go check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comments down below. I'm sure there's gonna be questions on stuff that I didn't answer. Give this video a big thumbs up. 1 thumbs up helps America. Yeah, we need it. Comment down below if you have ever thought about doing anything to your face or just anything to like improve your appearance. I feel like we always have like, I wanna go to the gym 5 times a week. I don't know, just comment like your goals, your glow up goals. My glow up goal is to grow my hair down to under my boob this year. That'd be so nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys next week for a new video. Also, I'm shooting my music videos right now, so head on over to my Instagram to see the BTS. With that, I'll see you guys next week. I love you. Bye guys.
La primera vez que te veía, supe que era la mujer para mí. Nunca tuve ni una duda, no. Y ahora vos tenés mi corazón. Dale, nena, contame lo que te gusta de mí. Dale, nena, mostrame lo que te hace feliz.